Even those who've thought about what PCE might be after the PPI and CPI say inflation isn't coming down rapidly anymore. But you do have the strong growth, you have very low unemployment. Why cut rates if the economy is doing fine at this level?
Well, first of all, I think monetary policy is working at the rates that we have now. So I think monetary policy is in a good place. Over the past 12 to 18 months, we've seen pretty much all the measures of imbalances in the labor market and our economy recede. Many of them back to levels we saw in 2018 or 2019. So we're seeing restoring balance in the economy. We are seeing a slow decline in inflation. So I do think monetary policy right now is in a good place. I'm not fixated on where do rates need to go, over the next year. What I'm focused on is how do we best achieve our maximum employment and price stability goals. The data we're seeing show that the economy is strong, and that's really good news, and labor market is strong. At the same time, we are getting better balance, and we're seeing some decline overall in inflation. So for me, it's really about getting that right, and then whatever we need to do to adjust monetary policy, we can do to best continue the progress towards our goals. So that's how I'm thinking about it, and we'll just have to keep watching the data and make the decisions based on those goals.
Well, is your base case that you will cut rates this year?
My own view is I think that with inflation continuing to gradually come down, and I guess I would say gradually is the operative word here, and with the economy remaining strong, I do think that given where the level of rates are, real interest rates now are considerably higher than they were before because inflation has come down quite a bit. So we will need to start a process at some point to bring interest rates back to more normal levels. Now, my own view is that that process will likely start this year. But again, it's going to be driven by the data and achieving our goals.
So it's possible you don't do anything this year.
Well, again, you're asking me to speculate on what will happen over the next 8 months.
Of course.
And right now, I think monetary policy is in a good place. We're seeing progress. It's a bumpy road on the inflation front, and we'll just have to figure out how to best adjust policy as needed to achieve our goals.